Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Gadget Pro. Cooking at home is great until you realize you originally 5 different posts, waiting fewer for things to cook, and then ugly dishes. What if you are told there's one device that it does it all? Say hello to the Instapot, your kitchen new best friend. So what makes the Instapot a game changer? Let's break it down. So let's go. This bad boy isn't just a pressure cooker. It's slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, stove, and yogurt maker, and even warmer web. One machine, 7 functions. Cooking time: get in a half, imagine making fall off the bone. Arrives in just 30 minutes. Or cooking a full plate over chili under an hour. It fast and it looks in flavor a pro. And before you ask, yes, except the Instapot has over 10 safety features. From automatic pressure controls to a looking light. No more pressure cookers hide more slows in your ingredients. Set your cooking mode and go do something easy. It takes care of the rest, no stirring. No baby stirring, just perfect for meals every time. Oh, I mention the inner pot is a dishwasher safe. So less mess, less stress. Whether you are busy parent, a college student serving on takeout, or someone who just hates cooking, the instant pot makes life easier. So is the instant pot worth it? 100% yes. It saves time, effort, and space in your kitchen. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on these gadget videos.